Unboxing the FreeStyle Libre 2 sensor. You will be sent a box containing the FreeStyle Libre 2 sensor and an applicator device. The box is approximately 12 cm by 8.5 cm by 6 cm. Approximately halfway down one of the short edges, you will find a tab. This is the start of a tear-off strip that runs along the length of one side and can be used to open the box. Once you have removed the tear-off strip, you'll be able to open the box. The first thing you will find inside the box is the instruction leaflet. Underneath the leaflet, you will find the applicator device. The top of the device is shaped to make it comfortable to hold, and the bottom of the device is protected by a round cap that has a series of grooves around it for grip. Underneath the applicator device, you will find a shallow pot that contains the sensor. In addition to the contents of the box, you will also need an alcohol wipe, which is not included in your pack. You're all set. We hope you enjoy your experience with the FreeStyle Libre 2 system. For more information or support, contact our customer care line on 0800 170 1177.
The information provided is not intended to be used for medical diagnosis or treatment or as a substitute for professional medical advice. Please consult your physician or qualified health provider regarding your condition and appropriate medical treatment. Individual symptoms, situations, and circumstances may vary.